Where there is a positive energy balance, that is, when energy intake exceeds energy usage, excess weight gain will result. This is usually a result of bad lifestyle choices, such as a high-calorie diet or insufficient exercise. Most weight loss interventions have a low rate of success, and the majority of programs cannot stop obesity rising. Patients with a high-risk gene type of fat mass and body-associated FTO gene have trouble losing weight effectively, may benefit from research that identifies early indicators of effective weight loss. Allelic variations of the FTO gene are known to impact body mass, body fat distribution, fat mass percentage, waist and hip circumference, and body mass index. FTO genes have the impact on body mass index, weight, hip circumference, fat deposits, and fat mass percentage. In 3 separate genome-wide associated analyses, the genes for fat mass and obesity, FTO, was the first to be linked to obesity. It was established that having one mutant allele for each of the genes FTO and ADRB3 results in statistically significant correlations with obesity, with post-transcriptional regulations of downstream cancer molecular expression or thought to the targets of Mendelian target protein, rapamycin mTOR, and involvement of FTO proteins in adenomyosis and cancer have been treated. Additionally to this, it has been discovered that in the vivo, FTO inhibitors have anti-obesity and anti-cancer properties. We thoroughly examined the relationship between obesity and cancer in this review by examining FTO polymorphisms and molecular mechanisms behind these illnesses, and emphasis on the FTO and hereditary causes on both conditions. Although some consensus on genes being primarily to blame for the epidemic of obesity, it is caused by a variety of causes. 40% of them are thought to be genetic in nature. In fact, although only a small number of these are believed to have a major impact, more than 400 distinct individual genes have been linked to being overweight or obese. Genes can affect obesity in a variety of ways, including the following. Genes can affect your sense of humour, hunger and fullness, your metabolism, and how quickly or slowly it works. And genes can make people crave potential foods that are calorific. The body's distribution of fat can be unnoticed, and the propensity to engage in emotional eating, such as utilising food to ease boredom or stress. Environmental factors or items in your immediate environment that are under your control are thought to be responsible about 60% of obesity cases. Each of these factors has been a unique effect on each person. Though while one person may put weight on solely because of diet, the level of physical activity has a greater impact on an individual's capacity to retain or lose weight. The following are some of the most frequent environmental elements that can influence obesity. Controlling portion sizes, consumption of fruit and vegetables, dependency on sugar, levels of physical exercise. Environmental factors may be the main contributors of obesity, with individuals heavily influenced by food availability and the need to eat. Motivation to exercise, not getting enough sleep, which makes you yearn for quick, high-energy items rich in carbohydrates like chocolate or chips. Holiday seasons cause fluctuations in weight gain, such as Christmas, Easter, summer holidays, especially with the onset of all-inclusive readily available. The key to treating obesity: to increase physical activity or exercise. Obese individuals need to engage in 150 minutes or more of moderate intensity exercise each week. This can assist in halting further weight gain or maintaining a little amount of weight loss. Schools may support the fight against obesity by providing children with water throughout the day, limiting the availability of marketing and other food and drinks, providing healthy options for lunch. Implementing these kinds of improvements in the school food system will not be simple. The Department of Agriculture in the United States have finalised comprehensive new school meals recommendations that would boost the amount of vegetables, fruit, for the whole grains while reducing the amount of salt and saturated and trans fats. In the UK, Jamie Oliver helped to change school dinners for children for the better, with healthy options all the way. Thank you very much.